In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Binance account. The first step is to go to Binance.com and click on register. Here, type in your email address and click next. Now to confirm your email address, go to your email inbox and look for an email from Binance. Open up the email and copy the activation code. Go back to Binance and paste it here. Set your password. Then under referral ID, enter the code you can see on screen now. You can also copy and paste it from the video description below. Applying this code will get you a 10% discount on all of your trading fees on Binance. So let's click Done. Now to use your Binance account, you also need to verify your identity. This is going to take about 7 minutes and you'll need a government issued ID like an ID card or a passport, and also a proof of address like a bank statement or a utility bill. So to get started, choose your country and click Continue. Now we have two options. You can either use video identification using the Binance app, or you can continue here on your computer. I recommend to use the Binance app because according to Binance, it's faster and easier. So take your smartphone, scan this QR code and download the Binance app. Open the app and log into your Binance account. Once logged in, click on Verify Identity. Then select your country once again and click Continue. Here you have to enter your personal details and make sure they are consistent with your ID documents. Now you need to verify your personal details. So let's start by clicking Continue. Then select the issuing country of your ID document and choose the ID document that you want to use for verification. Now you have to take a picture of your ID document and make sure it's easily readable. Next, you'll have to do a quick video call to confirm that you are the person in the ID document. So click on Continue and then click Start Call. During your call with the Binance agent, you'll have to show your ID document once again. And once the video verification is completed, you also need to verify your phone number. So just enter your phone number and confirm it by entering the code that you'll receive via text message. Then Binance is going to ask a couple of compliance questions, so just answer those and click Continue. Now there's just one last step, which is to verify your address. So enter your address and click Continue. Then choose the type of document you want to provide and make sure your full address as well as your full name is on this document. Once that's done, you've completed the identity verification process, and when Binance has reviewed your application, you'll receive an email confirming your identity verification and you'll have full access to all the features of Binance.